Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to increase the width of buttons in the Divi button module. Adjusting the width of your buttons can make them more visually appealing and interactive, helping to draw attention to important actions on your page. We'll explore a range of methods to achieve this, giving you options to customize your design easily and effectively. Let's dive in. To increase the width of a button in the Divi button module, one effective method is to adjust the button's padding. This approach allows you to set custom padding values directly within the module's settings, making it a simple, no-code solution. Keep in mind, the additional padding will increase the overall width of the button by adding space around the button text. Let's explore how to adjust these settings to achieve a wider, more prominent button. If you're ready to customize a button in Divi, the first step is to add and configure a button module. Begin by opening your page in the Divi Builder. Once inside, add a new row with a single column. Then, insert a button module into that row. This will serve as the foundation for adjusting the button size and other design settings. Next, open the settings for your button module and navigate to the Design tab. Once you're there, expand the spacing section. This is where you can adjust the padding around your button. To create a wider button, simply enter larger values like 100 for both the left and right padding fields. This will give your button a balanced, wider appearance, making it stand out more on your page. Once you've adjusted the padding to your liking, it's time to save your changes. Click the green checkmark in the button module settings to save. Then, to apply these updates to your page, locate the bottom bar in the Divi Builder and click the Publish button. When you're ready, exit the Visual Builder to complete the process. Your updated button design is now live. Once you've exited the Visual Builder, take a moment to view your page. This will allow you to confirm that the button now appears wider, reflecting the padding values you recently set. It's a quick and easy way to ensure your changes have been successfully applied. Another great way to customize your Divi buttons is by setting a minimum width using custom CSS. This method allows you to maintain a consistent button size across your site, giving it a polished and professional appearance. By using the built-in custom CSS options within the Divi Builder, you can easily apply this customization without needing external tools. Let me show you how it's done. To get started with applying custom CSS to your button, first add or select your button module in the Divi Builder. Once you've selected the module, go to the Advanced tab in the settings. From there, expand the Custom CSS section, and within it, open the Module Elements tab. This is where you'll be able to add the custom CSS to modify your button's appearance. To apply a minimum width to your button, navigate to the Custom CSS section in the Advanced tab of your button module settings. Look for the Main Element Editor box, and this is where you'll add your custom CSS. Specifically, you'll need to set a minimum width and center align the button text. The CSS you'll use includes a line for defining the minimum width and another for centering the text. For the exact code, refer to the accompanying post. Once added, this will ensure your button maintains a consistent width while keeping the text neatly centered. Once you've added the custom CSS and are happy with the changes, save your work by clicking the green checkmark in the button module settings. To make the updates live, go to the bottom bar of the Divi Builder and click Publish. Then, exit the Visual Builder. Finally, preview your page to confirm that the button now respects the minimum width you set, ensuring a polished and consistent look. A simple way to set a consistent minimum width for all your Divi buttons is by using the Divi Booster plugin. This plugin offers a dedicated setting that allows you to easily configure a site-wide minimum button width. Once enabled, this feature ensures that all buttons, whether they're in button modules, call-to-action modules, or slider modules, maintain the same minimum width for a uniform and professional look. Let's explore how this method works. To configure a minimum button width using the Divi Booster plugin, start by navigating to the Divi Booster settings. You can do this by opening the Divi menu in the WordPress admin sidebar and selecting Divi Booster. Once there, expand the Divi Builder section, followed by the General panel. Look for the option labeled Set Minimum CTA Button Width. Enable this option and enter your desired width value, for example, 400. This setting will ensure all your Divi buttons adopt the specified minimum width for a consistent design. After configuring your desired minimum button width in the Divi Booster settings, scroll to the top of the page and click Save Changes. This step applies your settings, ensuring that all Divi buttons across your website reflect the specified minimum width. When you add a new button module to your page and publish it, the button will automatically reflect the minimum width you configured using Divi Booster. After publishing, preview your page to confirm that the button's width is consistent with your settings, ensuring a polished and uniform appearance across your site. With these straightforward methods, you can easily customize or set minimum widths for your Divi buttons. By doing this, you'll create a consistent and visually pleasing design across your entire website, ensuring a professional and polished look for your users.